This video was so fun to make because it's all about crafting for Christmas. We're gonna whip up some homemade shea butter and chapstick for Christmas gifts. Then I'll take you along as I host my first Craftmas, a night for friends to get together and do Christmas crafts. What could be better than that? So grab a cup of something warm, get comfy, and let's make the season even cozier together. We're jumping right in with the homemade gifts, starting with the body butter. I am not exaggerating at all when I say this body butter is so good. It was so easy to make and it is so moisturizing. It only required 4 ingredients: raw shea butter, jojoba oil, coconut oil, and essential oils for smells. I'll link the recipes I use in the description. So the directions said to melt everything together, put it in the freezer to cool, but not to freeze, and then whip it to the desired consistency. Then, while the body butter is cooling, I'm going to melt together the ingredients for the chapstick.
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind.
Now it's time to start the chapstick. It calls for 5 ingredients, but I only used 4 because I forgot to add the honey. So it's honey, beeswax, almond oil, coconut oil, and essential oils. I could have reused the jojoba oil here, but I had the almond oil from when I made chapstick last year, so I kept it the same recipe because it was a hit. Everybody really liked it. So last year when I made the chapstick, I made it in the little metal tins, but I wanted to try a classic tube of chapstick this time. And I saw someone on TikTok use like a plastic sauce container to pour the liquid into the chapstick tubes. And so that's what I tried, and it worked okay. I think next time I'm going to try using a syringe. Because as you will see here in a second, it was kind of hard to control the flow and it got a little messy using the sauce container. But overall, it turned out really good. But what's so crazy, and you'll see it here in a second, is when the chapstick was like cooling down, I got little holes in each of the chapstick tubes. It was interesting. I don't know if it's because of how I poured it out of the sauce container, or maybe I had to like tap the chapstick tube down to like pop bubbles. I don't know. I'm a beginner here. This is only my second time ever making this chapstick, but it's interesting. Right here, you'll see all the little holes. And the chapsticks that look good, like you don't see holes, those are actually empty tubes, so they don't count.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes. And I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew.
was the night before Craftmas, and I found myself making a Christmas bouquet with flowers that I picked up from Trader Joe's. I almost had a whole rhyme there. So I Googled a few photos of Christmas bouquets for inspo, and I really just went for it. There was a moment where I really had to trust the process because it looked a little sad at the start. But the bouquet really came together in the end. And you actually won't see this bouquet again in the video, but just know that it was on the windowsill in my kitchen, bringing all the Christmas vibes to Craftmas.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow failed. I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait. And right around the mistletoe, I'm gonna let my feelings show. Always got you on my mind, but I know this time.
It's the morning of Craftmas, so it's time to set up. I started with making some deviled eggs, and I'll also be slicing up some jalapeno cheddar sourdough bread that I baked the day before. So the craft we will be making tonight is homemade Christmas cards. I feel like it was a craft that could go to good use, as in we can gift them to others throughout the season. And it was also a craft that wouldn't require like a crazy amount of supplies. Although I did have a fun little Michael's run where I got a few different cardstocks, some markers, and then some stickers. And the stickers were a big hit. Look how cute they are. Ugh, I love them. And then everything else on the table, it came from my craft bin.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down, and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas.
So everybody brought an item to snack on, like a drink, a charcuterie, you'll see it here in a sec, and some desserts. So we had so much to snack on, we had so much to talk about, and we had so much fun. I highly recommend hosting a Craftmas with some friends. Thank you to the creator on TikTok who had the idea. I'll link her profile below if you're interested. And thank you guys for watching this video. It's so much fun making these seasonal videos, and I love Christmas, so you know I'm going all in. If you enjoyed my video today, please like and subscribe. It really helps my channel, and you'll be notified of new videos coming soon. Thanks, everybody.